Hello and welcome into the Piles of Paragraphs creative space. I'm Lori and today I'm going to revisit the idea that I had for creating a travel collage kit. I, I did the kind of a de-stash of my old one and put this little one together a couple of weeks ago. But I've also got another one that I've put together that's going to be in my Etsy shop. But let's just kind of do a quick review of the stuff that's in my kit. I have my glues, a little pair of folding scissors. I did decide to add this little tiny journal so that I could do some collage in it. It's a nice small size, which can be really handy, especially if you're collaging on an airplane. So I just made that out of some cardstock and some drawing paper. Then I still have all these bits in mine, which is probably too much stuff to have. But I have this plastic card. I have this piece of an old calendar that I used as my glue paper. I've got some stamps and some labels and stickers and little bits. And then I always think you need to have brown paper in every collage sort of kit. I got a little piece of grid paper, a little, let's see, what is this? This is a little map. Oh, I've got these, my new favorite thing to collage on, these little luggage tags. There's just a whole bin of them sitting right by where I checked in my suitcase. Some plain paper, some more plain paper. I guess I had that in there for me to collage onto because I didn't have my little journal in there yet. But then there's what happens to be the newsletter from our power company. So these are the things that I have in mind. Not necessary to have liquid glue. I decided last time the seats were very close together, and I thought the liquid glue would be easier for me to use, and so I wouldn't be elbowing my husband as I was working on my collage. I've got rubber bands and the little elastics off the luggage tags to keep my glue stick from rolling around. Once again, like I said, I do most of my stuff on an airplane. It also work, I guess, in a car to keep it from rolling around if you've got a little desk or something you're working on. So that's my kit as it stands. I'm still going to make a little bit larger journal that'll fit in there. But this little one I've put together, and I'm going to have a few of these in my Etsy shop in case you don't want to take the time to build one, or if you want to give someone a gift. I think this would be a great gift, even for a teenager that might be a little bit interested in collage. I have a small glue stick in here, which I have put rubber bands on, which obviously I guess I need to spread them out since it's rolling around on my desk. Oh, it's still rolling. Okay. I'll have to put something else on there. Maybe more rubber bands. Usually that works pretty well. Okay, well, there we go. Live and learn. And then I have a pair of the small folding scissors. Mine are orange, but this is what Amazon happened to have in stock. So they're the little Fiskars folding scissors, and they are TSA compliant. So that's a good thing. So let's get out all the... And I've just used a little mesh pencil case for my kits here, for these kits. Here's the little journal, and it has let's see, eight pages in it, so 16 sides. And of course you can also decorate the covers. And I think the covers, it would be really handy to have a little tuck spot in these, but I did not add one. Leave something for the people who get these to actually put together for themselves. And so let's see. So then I have a piece of parchment paper to use for your gluing surface. I didn't have any more of that calendar paper. Here's some washi tape that I have put on a playing card, so it'll come right off. So give you a little bit. I think these three I know are Tim Holtz. I think this one might be too, but I'm not sure. My my washi tape is all kind of just in drawers, and then I've added this little, this one is a cardstock, heavy cardstock to use to smooth down your collages. I've ordered some plastic cards from Amazon. They haven't gotten here yet. And but if you have your own, you know, an old credit card or old gift cards, obviously I can't put my old credit cards in kits that I'm going to sell in my shop. But if you're making your own, or if you want to put something else in it, it's nice. It really is nice to have that to smooth out. This is a piece of French language paper. Got some music paper, a little piece of map. This is one of those Pep and Press books. This one is diagrams for radios, I think. So it has like type, and so lots of different choices on there that you can use for your collages. And then this is the little ephemera. I don't know what I'm going to call it. Sort of call it an ephemera stick. That doesn't really make any sense. This is a really handy way, I think, to keep your ephemera. I have mine in bags, so I'm always going to like pull out my stamps, and then they're on my tray, and then the drinks are coming, or the terrible pretzels that they're currently serving on Southwest. Ooh, they're bad. My husband likes them. He likes to torment me with them. I don't like them. So there's like 30 pieces of ephemera, more than 30 pieces of ephemera on here. There's some postage stamps, foreign postage stamps, U.S. postage stamps. Many of them are Swedish, because I have a big bag of Swedish postage stamps that I bought. Some stickers. This little thing is like a dictionary definition on the little page. So, gives you some options for things to layer. This side has a little bit bigger things, some stickers, some couple of die cuts, some graph paper, a piece of brown paper, which I always like to have to add to my collages. There's some Post-it notes. These happen to be Paris themed, because, I'm all about Paris. So let's see. So what is there? There's like 31 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces of paper. This is 5. So there's like 35, 40 things in this kit. So, and it comes right to you all already put together. So you can just drop it in your carry-on bag or in your tote. That might fit in your handbag, depending on the size of your handbag. But it does not weigh very much, even with the glue stick and the little scissors, because the scissors aren't not very heavy. So, and you have everything you need to do a little bit of collage work. So there you go. There is the travel collage kit. It will be in my Etsy shop, Piles of Paragraphs. But, of course, you can always put yours together. But just in case you want to buy one as a gift for yourself or a gift for somebody else, I think this is kind of a fun little gift. So thank you for joining me today. I hope you'll join me again in the future. If you like the video, please like, subscribe, leave me a comment. I'd love to hear what you think about the kit. If you have some suggestions for some more things I could put in, I would love to hear that. And for now, I guess I will say bye-bye.